Started with Google Analytics 360 is a free online course for Analytics 360 users, or those who are interested in learning about Analytics 360. You don't need access to Analytics 360 to complete this course.
Analytics 360 is part of the Google Marketing Platform, which brings together Google's enterprise advertising and marketing products to help marketers plan, buy, measure, and optimize digital media and customer experiences.
Analytics 360 is the enterprise version of Google Analytics and gives you access to advanced capabilities, in addition to all of the core features of the standard version. If you're not already familiar with the standard version of Google Analytics, you should first complete the Google Analytics for Beginners and Advanced Google Analytics courses on Analytics Academy.
In this course, we'll build on your advanced understanding of Google Analytics by introducing you to powerful features not available in the standard product, including roll-up reporting, custom funnels, unsampled reports, and custom tables.
We'll also show you how to take advantage of the rich data available to you through Analytics 360's integration with Google BigQuery. Finally, we'll show you how you can take action on the data insights you'll gain through Analytics 360's integration with other products in the Google Marketing Platform and with Google Ad Manager.
Throughout the course, we'll provide you with real-world examples to illustrate how you can leverage Analytics 360's features and integrations to drive performance and achieve your business goals.
Register today for Getting Started with Google Analytics 360.